The sun, a giant ball of fire. It dominates our sky. It is the source of life on Earth. Without the sun, our planet would be a cold, dark, and lifeless place. The sun is a star, just like the billions of stars we see at night, but it is much closer to us. That is why it looks so big and bright. We owe everything to the sun. It provides us with light and warmth. It drives our weather patterns. It allows plants to grow. Understanding the sun is important. It helps us appreciate our place in the universe. It helps us understand how stars are born and how they die. The sun was not always there. Like everything else, it had a beginning. It all started with a giant cloud of gas and dust, called a nebula. This nebula was cold and dark. It floated in space. Billions of years ago, something disturbed this cloud. Maybe it was a shock wave from a nearby supernova. This disturbance caused the cloud to collapse. As it collapsed, it started to spin. The spin got faster and faster. The cloud became flatter and flatter. It took the shape of a disk. Gravity played a crucial role in the sun's formation. As the cloud collapsed, gravity pulled the gas and dust towards the center. The center became denser and hotter. More and more material fell into the center. The temperature and pressure at the center continued to rise. Millions of years passed. The center of the disk became extremely hot and dense. This hot, dense core would eventually become the sun. Gravity continued to pull in material. The sun grew bigger and bigger. Section 4, the sun's heartbeat, nuclear fusion. The core of the young sun was like a giant furnace. The temperature and pressure were immense. Under these extreme conditions, something amazing happened. Nuclear fusion began. Nuclear fusion is the process of combining atoms to release energy. In the sun's core, hydrogen atoms are fused together to form helium. This process releases tremendous amounts of energy. This energy travels from the sun's core to its surface. It is then radiated out into space as light and heat. This is what we feel on Earth as sunlight. Section 5. Fascinating facts about our star. The sun is truly a fascinating object. Here are some mind-boggling facts about our star. The sun is about 4.6 billion years old. It is about halfway through its lifespan. The sun's diameter is about 109 times the diameter of Earth. It is so large that it could fit about 1.3 million Earths inside it. The sun is not just a giant ball of fire. It is a complex and dynamic object. It plays a vital role in our solar system. We are lucky to have this star as the center of our cosmic neighborhood.